Hey yo guys, MinerJP here, and today we're back for another video. And this time, as you guys can see, we're gonna solve a gear cube here. So yeah, let's get straight onto it. So let's scramble the cube. Alright, so we have our scrambled cube here. So let's get straight on to solving it. So let's time ourselves. Okay. Ready, set, go. Alright. So solved in 1 minute and 52 seconds. And I kept on making mistakes, so my gosh, because I haven't really solved this cube for a while, so that was terrible. But okay, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is MinerJP. Peace out.